In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video pop-up player in Elementor step by step so you can create a clean, professional-looking video preview that opens in a pop-up when someone clicks it. This is a great way to make your pages more engaging, improve user experience, and give your website a polished look without needing any extra plugins or complicated code. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your page in Elementor and go to the section or container where you want the video pop-up to appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the standard video widget in the Elementor panel. Now drag and drop that video widget into your container. This is the base element that will power the pop-up player, so make sure you're using the normal video widget and not a different media element. Next, click on the video widget to open its settings in the left panel. Under the Content tab, find the link field. Here, paste your YouTube or Vimeo URL. This is the video that will be played when the user clicks the preview. Make sure the link is correct and that it's a supported video source because that's what Elementor will use to open the pop-up player. After that, scroll down until you find the image overlay section. Turn the image overlay toggle on. This step is important because it lets you show a thumbnail or preview image instead of the video immediately playing on the page. If you want your section to look more professional, you can also upload a custom thumbnail here. A custom thumbnail is a great idea because it helps your video stand out, matches your branding, and gives visitors a clearer reason to click. Now, just below the overlay image settings, look for the Lightbox toggle. Turn the Lightbox option on. This is the key setting that makes the video open in a pop-up player instead of playing directly inside the page layout. Once this is enabled, Elementor will launch the video in a clean, focused pop-up when someone clicks the image or preview area. At this point, your setup should be ready. The video widget is in place, the link is added, the image overlay is enabled, and the lightbox is turned on. Now, it's time to test it. You can preview the page in the editor or view it on the live site, then click the video preview. It should automatically open in a pop-up player, giving visitors a smooth and professional viewing experience. If something doesn't look right, double check that the correct video link is pasted, the overlay is active, and the lightbox toggle is switched on. Those three settings are usually the most important parts of the setup. Once everything is working, go to the top right corner and click Publish to save your changes, and that's it. You've now learned how to add a video pop-up player in Elementor. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in how your page looks and performs. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Elementor tips, WordPress tutorials, and website design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.